Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a simple step-by-step walkthrough on actually executing trades right inside TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to enter orders using both the order entry window and the price ladder, also known as the DOM. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place trades, add take profits and stop losses, and use TradingView's built-in tools to practice safely, even if you're brand new to the platform. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up any chart inside TradingView. It could be for stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, whatever market you're interested in. Now take a look all the way down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab called Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a short moment. For this demonstration, we're going to use the paper trading option. This is perfect for practicing because it lets you try out real trading tools with simulated money, no risk involved. You'll see a list of broker options. Just select paper trading, then hit the connect button. What happens next is pretty cool. You'll notice a new trade button pop up right next to the trading panel tab. If this is your first time, it might feel like a small step, but connecting to paper trading actually unlocks all these powerful order tools that are normally only for live accounts. Alright, now click on the trade button that appeared. What you'll see is a simple order entry window with big, clear buy and sell buttons. This is where the magic really happens. From here, you can set up your trades just like a pro. Say you want to buy, just click the buy button. A panel will slide out where you can enter exactly how many shares, contracts, or units you want, depending on your selected instrument. But here, where you can take things a step further. It's not just about jumping into the market. Look for the options to add a take profit or a stop loss right there in the order window. Take profit is super handy. You're telling TradingView to automatically lock in profits at a level you set, so you don't have to be glued to the screen. And stop loss, that's your safety net. If the market turns against you, it'll limit your loss at the maximum you're comfortable with. I always recommend setting both. Think of it as putting on your seatbelt before you drive. It only takes a couple of extra seconds and really helps protect your account. Now let's talk about the DOM, or depth of market, sometimes called the price ladder. You'll see this on the left side of your chart window. This tool might look intimidating at first, a bunch of numbers stacked in columns, but it's actually really intuitive once you see it in action. The DOM shows live price levels and lets you interact directly. You can click anywhere on the buy side, which is usually to the left, to place a limit buy order at that exact price point. Same idea for the sell side on the right. Click there to place a sell order where you want. This is fantastic for anyone who likes a bit more control with their entries or wants to work the order book, rather than just accepting the current market price. Depending on your trading style or strategy, you might prefer setting precise limit orders with the DOM, or sticking with the main order entry panel for quick market buys and sells. Neither is right or wrong. Explore both to see what feels comfortable for you. And that's really all there is to it. You're now ready to execute trades, set up smart risk management, and even experiment with advanced order placement using TradingView's tools in a safe, paper trading environment. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It helps more people find these tutorials. Got questions or want to share how you use TradingView for trading? Drop a comment below. I love seeing your feedback. And if you want more clear, practical tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.